These are this week's spelling words. I'm going to say the word and I want you to repeat after me. Where, they, but, do, she. All of these 5 spelling words have the LE sound spelling with a consonant in front of it. Able, table, candle, handle, twinkle. We're going to start with the word where, and you're going to spell where like a cheerleader. W-H-E-R-E, where. Again, W-H-E-R-E, where. Our next spelling word is they. We're going to spell they like a cheerleader again. T-H-E-Y, they. Again, T-H-E-Y, they. But, like a rock star. Get your guitars. B-U-T, but. Again, B-U-T, but. Our next word is do. Oh, get your boxing gloves. You're going to spell it like a boxer. D-O, do. D-O, do. Number 5 is the word she. We're going to spell she like a chicken. Get your feathers up. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. Number 6 is the word able, and we're going to use our feathers again. A, B, L, E, able. A, B, L, E, able. Shirley, let's try another one. Okay, now we can do the soldier. The word table. Stomp out your letters and salute your word. T, A, B, L, E, table. T, A, B, L, E, table. Feathers up again. Candle. C, A, N, D, L, E. Candle. Again, C, A, N, D, L, E, candle. For the word handle, you're going to be a basketball player. Grab your basketball. H, A, N, D, L, E, handle. H, A, N, D, L, E, handle. Last word, twinkle. We're going to do our soldier again. T, W, I, N, K, L, E. Twinkle. Last time. T, W, I, N, K, L, E. Twinkle. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to practice this every day this week so that you'll be prepared for your spelling test next week. Look for those patterns. Able and table, they rhyme. If you know how to spell able, then you can spell table. Candle and handle, they rhyme. If you know how to spell candle, you can spell handle. And twinkle is the name of our book we're reading this week. So we should familiarize ourselves with that and be able to spell it. Good luck.